What time is it where you are? I'm missing more than anything.
Vision, aligning itself with the mission of the church. Through the inspiration of St. Anthony Mercuric's genuine love for God, the School of St. Anthony envisions to develop individuals with wisdom and virtues. Mission, guided by the motto, Sapientia et Virtus, which means wisdom coupled with virtues. The institution fulfills its educational activities in cooperation with other sectors by providing quality instruction and professional leadership in the integral development of an individual is essential being, creating an academic community whose students love for learning, so is coupled with practice of virtues, and producing graduates with a deep sense of social responsibility and involvement in responding to the needs of the society.
So jet lagged. What time is it where you are? 5 more days and I'll be home.